friends, it's time for class. We are still on our bug hunt, and today we are looking at a bug that is bright blue or green. It has the brightest colors. It's the fastest flyer. It has 2 sets of wings, and it likes to eat other bugs. It is the dragonfly. Dragonflies are so cool. They're one of my favorite bugs to see flying. Not only because they're so pretty and they have bright colors. My favorite color is blue, and a lot of them are bright blue. But they also have these transparent wings. Transparent means you can see through them. Isn't that cool? Like this backpack I have is transparent. I can see you. Can you see me? Those are like the wings of a dragonfly. I could put this on and pretend to fly around very fast and be a dragonfly. Dragonflies can hover in one place like a helicopter when it stays in one spot, or it can fly up to 30 miles per hour. And it's looking for other insects to eat. Do you know one of its favorite snacks? Mosquitoes. Yay! Yay for dragonflies. I don't like mosquitoes, do you? Yeah, where I am, we have a lot of mosquitoes, and the dragonflies will eat them. So I love when I see dragonflies around. Go get those mosquitoes, dragonflies. Go get them. I got my big bag of bugs. Let's see what the dragonfly looks like in here. There it is. It is blue with those 2 sets of wings. Dragonflies live all over the world, but they especially like to live where it's warm and where it's near water. So we already talked about dragonflies eating mosquitoes. They also eat gnats. Sometimes dragonflies eat ladybugs, but they also eat other insects like flies and cicadas and even smaller dragonflies. So they're kind of a big insect predator. They will go and hunt other insects for their food. Here's my big giant dragonfly. You'll never see a dragonfly this big. Usually, they're small, like this. They can get up to 5 inches long, but not this big. This is just a giant one to play with. Look at the cool iridescent colors. Can you say iridescent? Iridescent, yeah, and transparent wings. Kind of sparkly when they fly. And you don't have to be afraid of dragonflies. They don't sting people. They might land on you if you're being really still, but you don't have to be afraid. Some places say if you have a dragonfly land on you, it's good luck. I don't know if I would call it good luck, but it is kind of cool. I had a dragonfly land on my hand once, like this. And I was just really still and watched it, and then it got up and zoomed away. When dragonflies are first hatched, they live in the water for almost a year. And then when they come out of the water, start flying around, they only live for about 1 month. So that's why they're really flying around really fast, trying to get all the bugs that they can. So we talked about things that dragonflies eat. So what eats dragonflies? What do you think would eat a dragonfly? It would need to be something bigger than this. Birds, just like birds eat ladybugs, birds also eat dragonflies, but also fish, because the dragonflies might land on the water or be near the water, and the fish will see them and they will jump up and grab them. Even ducks will eat dragonflies. A lot of time you'll see them just sitting in the sun in the morning. They need to warm up their bodies and dry up their wings before they can go flying around for the day. So you might just see them sitting in the sun, just getting warmed up, and then they'll take off. Do you remember how we talked about the ladybug using its antenna for smelling, touching, and tasting? Well, dragonflies use their eyes mostly for that. They have such large compound eyes with lots of different lenses that they can see almost everywhere at once. Their eyes go all the way over the top of their heads, so they really can see in almost all directions at once. That's how they're able to find the insects quickly and avoid birds. They also have those 4 wings that helps them to fly in 6 directions. They can go up, down, forward, back, and side to side. Isn't that cool? And then they can hover in one spot, like we talked about, like a helicopter. They really are amazing flyers. And you can be a dragonfly, just like that. Sit on the ground, spread your wings, and touch the ground. Can you spread your legs out like that, like they're your wings? And put your hands in front of you and stretch. And you can be a dragonfly too. Okay, friends, let's see what we learned today about the dragonfly, who has 4 wings, 2 see-through pair. A dragonfly, who can see almost everywhere. A dragonfly, who loves mosquitoes for a snack. A dragonfly, who can fly this way and that. A dragonfly, who has 6 legs but mostly flies. A dragonfly, who zooms like a car speeding by. A dragonfly. There are even people who like to go dragonfly watching. Like some people like to go bird watching, some people go dragonfly watching. You might want to do some dragonfly watching today. Go see if you can find dragonflies. You might have to take a walk and go near a pond or a lake or a river, somewhere wet, and be on the lookout for those fast flyers. Have fun and come back tomorrow to see what bug we're going to find on our hunt next. Bye-bye, dragonfly. I'm gonna go look for those fast flyers. Let's go.